This is a beautiful Friday morning in Phoenix. Unfortunately, I have some background noise thanks to these birds in the trees next to me. But this is Ken driving all the way from Pennsylvania in a 1986 CRX HF with fewer than 100,000 original miles on it. Ken and I are headed to the Japanese Classic Car Show tomorrow in Anaheim. So he's a couple thousand miles into his journey already, and should be a fun next couple days. Time to roll out myself now. Gonna see how the SLX does on a 360-mile adventure to Southern California. Made it to Anaheim, California. Just gonna go check in here at my hotel and get settled in for the night. Saturday morning, heading to Angel Stadium, just about 2 miles down the road for today's Japanese Classic Car Show. I can't believe I just pulled in coincidentally right behind this guy. We're total twins right here. This is the staging lanes right here for parking. I'm not sure where they're gonna have me go here. All right, somehow I ended up next to the Isuzu Bighorn and a 5-speed Trooper, so that was kind of meant to be. This is crazy, just an entire parking lot of vintage Japanese cars waiting to get staged. Just got parked here and we're waiting for a good number of people to still get staged, but I found the best parking spot here with some of my legend friends. This is packet pickup and registration, so I just got my form here. It's gonna go on my windshield when I display the SLX. Obviously, we're looking at the MDX Type S in Tiger Eye, and over here is Prelude Alley. My display, I decided to showcase all the variants. Isuzu, Opel, Vauxhall, Holden, and Honda. This is the, looks to be the CRX section here. I know I have some CRX fans in the audience. Everybody remembers Mike's car. This is a super clean 89. And Mike always does it up right with his swag, including a window sticker. The sun decided to peek out here and we are loving it.
Again, that's 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 0. Number 223.
Those MPG readings that Ken got in his CRX HF. I see a 63.5 on there. Awesome.
619.
There's Leon. This Integra Type R only has 35,000 miles on it. Obviously, this is a pretty exciting little feature here, talking about the return of the Integra. Of course, with a manual transmission that we are super excited about. Do a quick walkthrough on some of the other Hondas here. cars here are pretty significant. This NSX belonged to a passed away friend of mine named Ryu Asada. Many of you in the community will remember him. Incredible gentleman and longtime enthusiast. He passed away earlier this year, and they brought his car out. So some of you may have seen actual Hot Wheels that he designed when he worked for Mattel. In fact, they put some of his designs there on the windshield. So yeah, Ryu's car is representing and looking awesome. They're still doing the number raffle. I didn't even take the time to find my ticket, but that's been going on all day. There's food trucks out here on the east side of the parking lot, but even right now, a couple of hours into lunch, the lines are pretty long, so we're just snacking on some gas station snacks here. Love these old Z600s. This is a 1972, and he says it's original paint. Very awesome.
And in first place, with a 1993 Acura NSX, Sutran.
Scott, my friend, just won second place with his Legend.
Are you Sue?
There's a first place award winner if I've ever seen one.
Well, maybe second.
Oh, 202,590. She looks good.